It's kind of strange to me. I'm one person who is not a fan of social media. Thank you for joining me today. Welcome, friend. Welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome. If you haven't already, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe. If you like mother and daughter videos, go ahead and thumbs up and subscribe. So just like I said, that's the video I'll be doing today. So I have my mom on my channel today, and I will be doing her makeup. As you see, I already did it. So I'm gonna be turning my mom into me. So the same makeup that I did on my face, I tried to like replicate it on hers. And also I just got braids and she had like this braid wig and we just popped that thing on. But I'm gonna be having my mom on the channel. Like, do you wanna say anything, Mom? Hi guys. Nice to be on YouTube. This is my first time with my daughter Yvonne. I like what she does, but I've never tried to be with her on YouTube because it's kind of strange to me. I'm one person who is not a fan of social media, but since I have these, we call them .com, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we really don't have choices like mothers. So sometimes we have to follow what they want us to do. So I'm happy to be with her and I would like, if possible, to promote her. So if you like this video with mother-daughter, please thumbs up and subscribe.
And like the video.
And like the video.
And like the video. Okay, so I'll be just going in with my mom. And if you'd like to see this video, so just stay tuned and it's coming right next.
Alright, so I'm gonna do a little bit of a voiceover right here. So that's the wig that she had, and I'm just putting that on her since I have braids. Might as well put braids. And then I did her eyebrows. Not my favorite, but it's okay. I still did them. In terms of like, I don't think I did them the best, but anyways. So I'm putting concealer on her, and my focus wasn't necessarily so much on like eyeshadow or even like anything else. I just cared more about her skin. So I did the most basic eyeshadow because I think I just wanted to focus on her skin because I feel like she has really, really nice skin. And that's what I did. So I'm going to put everything that I use in the description below. But I didn't really use much. But yeah, I'm just putting this on her real quick. And I'm putting some just some glitter. Again, nothing crazy, but just something really super basic. And I'm just wiping away all the glitter.
Alright, so I'm gonna be starting out with this, which is like a face serum. So I really like this because it really helps like the foundation stick on. So that's what I'm gonna be putting on my mom right now. So I already did her eyes, like, and it was silent. So I did her eyes. So I'm going to start moisturizing her skin a little bit and also helping the makeup stay on. So I'm just going to be putting this on. Ooh, a little bit on her eyes. And you guys, my mom has never been on my channel ever, actually. So let's see. So we're going to rub that in. Ooh, I may have put a little too much. Could you look up, Mom? Alright, so I'm really loving putting this on because I like how like healthy and moisturized my skin has been looking whenever I have, could you put your lips together? There you go. Whenever I have this on, I've really been liking how like my skin has been coming out. So you see how it like gives my mom like a glow. So that's also another reason because I feel like it makes your skin look really healthy. So I'm going to add a little more. There you go. So I'm going to add... Alright, so we're going to start on her foundation. And this is a foundation that my mom uses on her skin. This is the Clinique. And it's in the number A47. It's in the 23 Ginger DN. That's what he says, like right here. So this one she uses, and I'm gonna be putting this on my hand, Maybe I should put it on her face, actually. Let's put it on her face. Alright, so I'll put it on your face. So, Mom, have you ever had your makeup done before?
No.
No? Have you always wanted to get your makeup done?
Yeah, because I know I do it, but very sketchy.
You think you do it sketchy?
Yeah.
No, you have the idea, though.
Yeah, just sketchy.
The idea is on there. Like the...
Yeah.
Yeah, makeup usually looks good, actually.
I do like two items.
What do you usually do for your makeup?
I use my moisturizer and then the foundation.
Mm-hmm.
That is the liquid, and then the powder. That's it.
So you use just those two?
Just those two. The foundation liquid and foundation powder.
Oh,
That's it.
I mean, that's something.
Yeah.
That's something. I was using a sponge, but I'm actually going to use my brush instead. Because I find that it's applying a lot better. And closing your mouth. There you go. Alright. I really like this foundation because it's really actually surprisingly pretty. Like, so you said, what do you feel about on YouTube? You said you don't feel like you look right?
I don't feel like I'm right to be on the YouTube. I'm one person who is not very fond of media, like being out there. I've never been. So it's kind of weird, but it's always a first time.
You know what's so funny though? My mom like loves pictures.
Yeah.
So you like pictures but not like videos, or?
Yeah, but pictures are a bit specific. You know, you have pictures, you can show them to your friends. I really don't put them on media, like the Facebook.
Yeah.
Maybe once in a while, but not that much.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, so being in YouTube for the first time,
You can open your eyes now.
it's like a big deal.
Yeah, so we do take a lot of pictures and put them on. We have this like WhatsApp group, like a family WhatsApp group. So that's usually where like I think you put your pictures at. That you take them on. Is that what you usually put them on?
Yeah, WhatsApp.
On WhatsApp, yeah. So she usually puts them on
Family WhatsApp.
on our family WhatsApp.
Yep.
I have to blend out this other side. Move over here. Interesting, because I've never even done my mom's makeup, funny enough. For as long as I've been doing makeup, I've like never done her makeup, which is funny. So what do you think of me being on YouTube?
Well, I say whatever makes you happy.
Yeah.
I know you are a good public speaker and you talk good, so I'm sure I had known all along that you can be a public speaker.
Oh, really?
Because you have so much confidence. You can talk in front of people. Unlike so many of us, like I'm not a very good public speaker, so.
You know, you say that, Mom, but I actually think you are.
I don't think so. Sometimes I get short of words when I'm speaking in public. I feel like I'm getting short of words.
Oh, when you're speaking in public?
Yeah. That is just an assumption, I think.
Yeah, I think sometimes, like, you may think of yourself a certain way, but how other people see you is, like, not the same. Because when you leave us, I wouldn't say that you're, like, not good.
Yeah, well.
So that's interesting.
You're right.
So everybody's is different. So how would you say, like, because you're literally the only one that can answer this, how would you say that I was, like, as a child?
As a child, you are overly social.
Oh yeah, I think that I remember the most I used to get in trouble for was going to people's houses.
Yeah, I remember like you used to be permanently at Mama Noni's house. And I was like, what is it? I always wonder, what is this lady giving you? She cooks so good that you really don't feel like eating my food.
No, it never had anything to do with being at home. I just really
Well, I know, you just wanted to be away. That's what I thought. You just wanted to be social and talking and laughing and, you know, and even when you grew up, you were in high school, you used to have a lot of sleepovers.
Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah.
Look up a little bit. Yeah, I used to have like in high school. So the house that we're in right now is the one that I grew up in essentially, like my high school. And we used to have I used to ask my mom all the time if I could like have sleepovers. And she used to like not say anything. She used to not be against it. She's like, "Yeah, sure, have your sleepovers."
Yeah, so long as you don't make a lot of noise because I need to get to sleep so that I get up in the morning.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, you weren't really.
Yeah.
You weren't. It's funny, as the older we got, you weren't. You were still strict, but you weren't like overbearing.
Well, sometimes you just leave God to take care of everything, because in all of it is God that take care of kids,
Yeah.
and especially in this country where you have to work, you have to leave everything unto God.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That's true.
All right, I am back again. I did her face and I didn't record the whole thing because I just thought the video is more about, just seeing how much I can turn her into me versus like the actual makeup I'm putting on her. But yeah, this is my mom. I think she looks so pretty like this.
All right, so I just finished my mom's makeup. What do you guys think? Mom, what do you think of it? What do you think?
Well, I think I look cool.
You think you look good?
I think I look good. I'm used to that. Like I said, 2 layers. I use the foundation liquid and then foundation powder, and I'm good to go. So this is kind of detailed, but I think I like it. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
And but it's a lot of work. I don't think I can do all that.
Yeah, it is.
Maybe I do the sketchy type, but I like it. I like it. It's good.
Yeah, I tried to warn my mom ahead of time. I was like, it's gonna be a lot of work. It's not just like, something simple. It's gonna be putting some work. But I'm glad that you like it. I've never seen my mom with like a full face on, so that's interesting. Like I've never seen her with this much makeup on.
Yeah.
Like my whole life.
How do I look?
I think you look nice, Mom. You look pretty. We look more alike, actually.
Oh, wow.
Right? Don't we look? I mean, granted, we're supposed to because the makeup is like the same, but
Yeah.
we look more alike.
Yeah.
When we have our makeup
makeup's
similar.
on.
Yeah, but this is my mom. So thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it. If you guys would like to see more videos with her and I, just let me know. I'm not sure what other video we could do. Like, I know we could do... I'm trying to think.
We'll do something.
Yeah,
We'll think of something.
Yeah, we'll think of another video to do together. And if you guys have any questions for my mom, just like put them in the comment section below. I tried to ask her some questions while I was doing your foundation, and you like answered a few. But anyways, you guys already saw that because you already saw that part. But thank you guys for watching. I'm Yvonne, and anything else you want to say?
No, thank you. I also thank you very much. I hope you support my daughter. I love her. She's such a darling.
Oh, thanks, Mom. I'm Yvonne, and I'm still polishing this gold, and I hope you continue to do so too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye-bye.